What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the QR code scanner not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, tap and hold on the camera app and then tap on this information icon and open the camera app settings. Now after opening these settings, tap on force stop. Now again tap on OK to confirm. So when you will tap on this OK option here, it will force stop the camera app, and after force stopping the camera app, the QR code scanner will start working. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then again open the camera app settings by tapping on this information icon, and this time tap on storage. Now clear the cache memory and storage user data. So to clear the memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. Now clear the app data. So to do this, tap on clear all data and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after that the QR code scanner issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for your phone's software update. So for that, open settings. Now here tap on about phone, and here it will show you if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it shows a update option here, tap on update to update the software, and after updating your phone's software, the QR code scanner will start working. So that's how you can fix the QR code scanner not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.